Are you about to be exported to expert level DIY? Have you ever heard of anything called a step drill? Well, this thing is amazing and it's about to change your life. Or it's going to be the perfect gift for somebody that already has everything. This step drill that I'm showing you is part of a handy little kit and it's as cheap as chips. Now this thing is awesome. It drills through aluminium, it drills through steel, it drills through wood, it drills through plastic, anything that you want. And because it's step, you start at a small hole and you just work your way up to the size that you want. So it's perfect for any toolkit and it basically replaces a whole set of drills. Now, this thing is great. I've had one for over 10 years. I've just got this kit now because it's got a few extra bits and pieces in it. But I thought I'd just have to share it with you. And it's all as cheap as a couple of packets of chips or crisps, depending on where in the world you're from. Now, if you're interested, check out my link in the bottom. Get your own set. But I highly recommend it. This thing has changed my life and I love it. It's essential for anybody's toolkit. Or if you want a perfect gift for someone for Christmas, then I suggest getting one. Plenty of time to get it before Christmas. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. See you later.